Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the feet of your refrigerator so you can successfully pull it out and clean behind your refrigerator. The first thing you're going to do is get on the ground here with me and unscrew 2 screws, or however many screws you have, in this cover kind of grill on the bottom of your refrigerator. You can use a flathead like I'm doing here, or I can actually get a hex head with my impact driver on this side to remove these 2 screws. Your grill cover might look a little different on the bottom here of your refrigerator, but just remove this cover first. The refrigerator I'm working on is a Whirlpool, but they're all pretty much the same standard setup. Make sure you put those little screws somewhere where you're not going to lose them. And then you can typically just work this cover off. It clips in at a couple different spots. Whenever I take my cover off, I use this as a great opportunity to clean the cover. And now I'm going to vacuum underneath before I continue working, just so I'm working in a cleaner area. You're going to find your feet, which will be next to your wheels, and you're going to take an adjustable wrench, and you are going to go through the very tedious task of raising the foot off the ground. As you turn the foot to raise it off the ground, the wheel will lower and put more weight of the refrigerator on the wheel. This is the largest or the longest lasting part of this whole task, just simply because you can only really make quarter or half turns in this area. Eventually you'll get to where you can twist it or turn it up with your fingers here. Then just head over to the other side of the refrigerator, and you're going to repeat the same process on the other side with the other foot and with the other wheel. All you're doing is you're taking the weight of the refrigerator off the foot, and you're putting the weight of that refrigerator onto the wheel. After you do this, you'll be able to wheel the refrigerator out. And that's all there really is to this job. Kind of sucks working on the ground, but it's an easy job that any homeowner can do. When you're done cleaning behind your fridge, just push it back in, lower the feet back to the ground to take the weight off the wheels, put your cover back on, and you're done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.